Ever feel like your finances are a jumbled mess of receipts, bank statements, and cryptic credit card charges? You're not alone. Juggling money in today's world can be overwhelming. But what if there was a way to see all your accounts in one place, categorize your spending with a tap, and even get a glimpse of your financial future? That's where Mint by Intuit comes in. It's a free budgeting app designed to simplify your financial life. It helps you track income, expenses, set budgets, and achieve your financial goals. Sounds pretty cool, right? But before you jump in and link all your bank accounts, let's take a quick look at what you actually need to use Mint. No more mysteries, the essentials for using Mint. There are really just a few basic requirements to get started with Mint. Here's the breakdown. Digital dwelling. First things first, you'll need a device to access Mint. It's available on most web browsers and has mobile apps for both iOS and Android. So, whether you're a laptop warrior or a smartphone whiz, you're covered. Email Expressway. You'll also need a valid email address to sign up for a Mint account. This is where they'll send you confirmation emails, security alerts, and maybe even some budgeting tips, we can hope. Banking buddies. Here's the heart of Mint, your financial accounts. Mint securely connects with thousands of banks, credit unions, and investment institutions. So, chances are, your bank is on the list. To connect your accounts, you'll need your login credentials, username, and password for each institution. But fear not, Mint uses industry-standard security measures to keep your information safe. Beyond the basics, optimizing your Mint experience. While those are the essentials, there are a few other things to consider to get the most out of Mint. Say yes to security. Security is paramount when it comes to your financial information. Make sure you're using strong, unique passwords for both Mint and your individual financial accounts. Categorize like a champ. Mint does a pretty good job of automatically categorizing your transactions, but it's not perfect. Take some time to review and adjust categories as needed. This will give you a clearer picture of where your money is actually going. Budgeting bliss. Budgeting is a core feature of Mint. Set spending limits for different categories like groceries, entertainment, or dining out. Mint will track your progress and send you alerts if you're nearing your limits. Goal getter. Setting financial goals is a great way to stay motivated. Whether it's saving for a vacation, a down payment on a house, or simply paying off debt, Mint allows you to set goals and track your progress. The wrap-up. So, there you have it. With a web browser, an email address, and your login details for your financial accounts, you're all set to conquer your finances with Mint. Remember, using Mint is completely free, so there's no reason not to give it a try. Call to action. Head over to Mint's website or download the app and start taking control of your financial future today. And while you're there, let us know in the comments below what your biggest financial challenge is. Maybe we can help you tackle it in a future video. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, happy budgeting.